Initiate therapy.
Where are you standing?
Well, I didn't want to be, I wouldn't be on this side, I didn't want to be in front of the
No, I know, but I would scoot that way a little
Right
more
here?
and see if that does. You're way down at one end of the body and you're trying to stabilize way up there, and it says here you needed to be in the middle.
So I'm in the
Initiate
middle.
there.
Take two. Okay.
I'm sorry, nameless patient.
And we just do till fatigue.
Till fatigue. And what is she gonna do to substitute? Roll back. Oh, she's gonna
Oh,
roll
yeah,
back
she'll
and
roll
go
her
her
quad,
butt.
and then use her quad. Try it real quick. You're using your quad.
Stop that.
Raise your toes. Toes pointed forward. Stop that
Yeah,
now.
okay. There's this.
Discontinue it.
Whoever's next.
That one there. Another one.
Oh, that's so funny.
Yeah, I need to work on it.
Through your whole leg.
Start.
Your
Stretch your whole leg. Now start.
Very important. Yeah.
Ask what? He lost points just on instruction.
Yes, I did.
And we're gonna get pickier and pickier and pickier as we go on.
That was
Structure
instructing too
patient
much.
in an isometric strengthening exercise for the right elbow flexors. Wait, say again. Isometric right elbow flexors. Right.
I'm gonna push you up, I want you to resist and push down. Don't let me push up very fast. Is that right?
It's isometric, so I want to start down here and then I'll work up. Start all the way up.
Okay.
Just tell me when to Mount Pleasant.
Okay, well, hold on though.
You're doing isometric? Or
Just tell me
isocline?
when to mount one.
Isometric, just not trying to move.
I'll move up to the
What did you say?
You gonna start in extension or no?
What?
Wait, remember we were going and you typed it in the GPS.
You wanna start in the,
Oh, yeah, man.
but not hyper.
It's hard for my hand to get whatever.
I didn't want to hit your elbow.
Well, if you're, hold on, if you're doing her flexors,
You
where
might
are
wanna-
her elbow flexors?
And you can either,
Point them to me, touch hers, don't work yours, all right?
because as long as you're resistant.
You want your resistance hand on the same side of that body part as those flexors. There you go.
And then
And you might want her to have her sit
10
down
sets of that.
with an arm on it.
Yeah.
I think she's fine if you stabilize her, and the fact that you're way out here and she's over there, come get right in front of her. There you go. Or turn around this way and then let her arm get straight. But see, now you've got her so close she can't straighten her arms without giving you a boost and feel off the job.
She says she don't mind that.
There you go. Put your hand on top.
On this side?
Same side of the body part as the bicep, which is her flexor. Now, is that motivating your patient?
No.
You gotta say them out
You
loud.
can do it.
You're gonna hold it 2 seconds. I mean, the only thing is, look at
All
you.
you,
You
all
seem
you.
to be starting her here versus here.
Breathe in.
With the eccentric
Count with
start.
me. 1, 2,
Sure.
3, 4, 5,
But
6, 7.
Yeah. The bicep.
Yeah, that's
Until you don't need to press that hard.
Okay.
We're just doing some action.
Well,
not
not
doing
doing
con.
10 times, how many you gotta do?
10 times I can move up to 10 degrees.
Would it be wrong to sit them like in a chair and have their arm like out like this and do it?
It wouldn't be wrong, you just have to worry, but if I'm sitting here, I can't do full extension of that.
Right, okay.
So you might do like padding or something to build up underneath them.
Well, yeah, just have to make sure that I can,
That's like
you know,
straight up.
I'm a short person this way. So you're gonna have to,
I have a question. Could you have her do it like this? Could you also do it like this? Like have her go up? So it doesn't matter if you have this in the back.
There's warnings.
if,
that's-
back here it's a counter pressure. She
So
was
does that
sitting her
matter?
up on top of the table and I think she was trying to prevent her
Okay.
from doing that.
But that wouldn't be a redo if you still have this hand on the same side, but you said she did a counter pressure back there.
that would not be legal.
As long as they weren't substituting. If they did that and you're substituting, like, yeah, you could. I'm not that picky on this one. Now, next semester, we know our isolating muscles, it'll get that. But this semester.
Please instruct your patient in a manual resistive isotonic concentric exercise of the right knee flexors.
Concentric right knee flexors.
Concentric
Knee
flexors.
Okay. What side of the body?
This side.
Okay. So that's where the side of the body you want your resistance hand on.
So I would push against my Oh, well, it's not okay. Okay, I got it now. Okay. Press against my.
You look real awkward.
Yeah.
So move your hand around and grab this way. Bring her up all the way and hold the other hand up underneath. There you go. Give her a little towel under, be a counter pressure. And now see how you feel. And you may on that have to stand up because you have better leverage with you standing.
I'm gonna try to move you back fast. You don't want me
You're gonna move me back fast?
to. I was gonna do this fast, and you gotta like.
We're gonna keep it leg straight.
You.
Okay, hold on. Keep your hand on the same side of the body part. This isn't eccentric, that's an eccentric cue, is the moving fast. If
Okay.
you put your hand up here and push her fast, you would have just done quads.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I just have to make
You're gonna push
a
this
copy that
against
you take
my-
home with you.
Yeah, I want you to bend your knees,
Or
and
by the
I'm gonna
disc if
make
you-
it harder.
Yeah.
Do,
Okay. Bend your knee and bring her.
or just meet your house and watch it.
Yeah, the only thing is I would scoot her out a little bit so you can get more
Okay.
full motion. Does that make sense? Okay. Yeah, I can't stress enough, if you find the body part, put your hand on that same side, then figure out your positioning. Because that way you know you're gonna do the right resistance.
Okay. Please instruct your patient in a manual resistive isotonic concentric exercise of the right wrist extensors.
Concentric wrist extensions.
This is extend. These are extension.
These are extensions.
That's not, that's short. Because it's
It's flexion.
This is extension, this is torsion. That's fine. I would probably not want to stabilize her with her arm up in the middle of the air.
Have her sit down.
She's looking for a chair. Yeah, therapist took a chair. Enabled her to have.
Oh, I was just like, I don't want to stabilize myself.
Tell roll in one hand is resistance.
That'd be funny.
Please instruct your patient in an isometric strengthening exercise for the right shoulder abductors. So, right shoulder abductors.
And isometric.
Isometric.
I don't have
have to search for my chair. Okay, so right shoulder. Yes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just rest for, you said and some more. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna do that 10 times, and then we're gonna bring it up 10 degrees. And
Yeah, but you just brought it up probably closer to 30. There you go.
And do it.
Miss Cindy, when would you stop on that? How high would you have to go out on the
Well, that's
abduct?
what break in between.
As far as they could?
All the way up.
That's, on that one, you don't go to quarter.
Well, if you're doing just between the count of
Well,
10, it's just stop.
yeah, but
And then you
start
start
to
back up.
fatigue.
Remember, you're doing the whole set
Oh,
that has to be
yeah,
right.
right.
Then you have a 30-second break.
Whenever you actually move the 10 degrees.
So
Unless
after
they hit
10
fatigue.
degrees.
You'd rather go through the
Now,
full
what
range
if they
of
get
motion and
fatigued
make sure
before you
do
get to the
10
full range of motion?
Well, chances are they're gonna be hitting fatigue before you get to that 10th rep. So you just rest for 30 seconds. Then give them that full 30 seconds to recover, and then do it again.
At the next 10 degrees.
So that right there from here to here, that can take you.
Very.
20 minutes.
Yes.
That's your therapy session.
Yes.
And would you ever decrease the
The amount of
seconds?
reps. Yeah, you just want at least second. You want at least 6. You don't have to go to 10. I'm just, to me, learning it in a rule of 10s helps you remember. Right there, 10, 10, 10, 10.
So would you ever go at increments of like 20 degrees if you knew it was gonna take forever to go all the way up and you just don't have that much time with them, or?
Yes,
Okay.
you could. You just wouldn't be in the rule of 10s. But, you know, as a general rule, you want to do, remember, I'm only gonna improve strength
'Cause that's
where in that point that I'm taking it. So if I'm only doing here, here, and then here, and here, I'm only gonna improve strength in 4 areas.
Yes.
He spreads it out.
Okay, so I am doing manual resistive isotonic eccentric for the right wrist extensors.
Okay.
So, and you said it would be easier to sit down, probably.
There you go.
The right wrist extensors. So we stabilize the table kind of, right? So that it's kind of stabilizing the rest of his body.
A towel roll or have him come like this?
I like
Just him putting his elbow down doesn't stabilize the forearm.
Okay. And then we're doing eccentric, so we want to start like this. And elongate. Start.
Eccentric extensors, is that what we're doing?
Eccentric,
So
start
I'm
short.
gonna.
it's hot.
Okay, what I want you to do is, I'm going to push on your hand, and I'm gonna try to slam your arm. I'm gonna push on your hand and try to push your hand down the table. And I want you to make a slow control. I'll use this computer to do that 10 times. Which that kind of makes it,
Is I would probably roll this up just a little bit more
to make it.
so that I can complete his motion.
And this one, so in this, I can cover this, so
There you
you
go.
go, okay, I see.
Does that feel better?
So it's stabilize here. No ball. Okay, I see. And this hand. Cut down there. So then we did the stabilize. Yeah, you stabilize like here.
I thought you did this like
This is. Well, you still do like three sets of what, 10 reps? Or until they're fatigued, right?
Yeah, you just go till fatigue.
Just do it
That's
over
it.
and over and over and over and
Yeah,
over.
just keep
So you
doing it
don't
until they
do-
have fatigue.
You don't